It's a familiar spring cleaning ritual. You go looking for the garden hose, only to find it buried under leaves, chewed up by pests, and tangled in a muddy knot that takes half an hour to undo. This is where the Gardena RollUp wall-mounted hose box comes in. It's a self-retracting housing that mounts directly to your exterior wall. By keeping the hose elevated and fully enclosed in a UV and frost-resistant shell, you completely eliminate environmental wear and tear. The equipment stays in peak condition year-round, always ready exactly where you need it. Before we start drilling, let's gather our tools. You'll need a spirit level, a mallet, an SDS drill with an 8mm bit, a pencil or marker, and a socket wrench with a 10mm socket. Gardena provides the heavy-duty wall bracket, 3 bolts with matching washers and wall plugs, a retaining screw, and all the necessary tap connectors. The hose itself is already preloaded inside the main housing at the factory. Staging these components right now will keep the process smooth. Start to finish, this entire installation takes less than 40 minutes. Step 1 is deciding exactly where this is going to live. Find a solid masonry wall in close proximity to your main garden or garage water tap. You want to choose a mounting height that feels comfortable. Make sure the primary users in your household can reach the nozzle without having to stretch or bend down. Here is a crucial requirement. You must leave adequate vertical clearance directly above the bracket location. The main housing drops into the bracket from the top. Factoring in that required headroom right now guarantees you won't collide with windowsills or roof overhangs during the final step. Now take the main unit out of the box and locate the lower retaining screw. Unscrew it to separate the black plastic wall bracket from the main housing, and keep that screw somewhere safe. Place the bracket flush against your chosen spot on the wall. Rest your spirit level across the top lip to ensure it is perfectly horizontal. Once it's completely level, take your marker and firmly dot the 3 mounting holes directly onto the brickwork. Taking the extra minute to get these marks perfectly level is critical. It prevents uneven weight distribution, which can put long-term stress on the bracket hinge when you swing the heavy unit back and forth. Grab your drill, fit the 8mm SDS bit, and drill straight into the 3 marks. A helpful trick is to hold one of the included wall plugs next to your drill bit before you start. This gives you a quick visual gauge for exactly how deep you need to go. Slide the gray wall plugs into your newly drilled holes. Use your mallet to gently tap them in until the heads sit completely flush with the brick surface. Getting those plugs flush and at the correct depth creates a solid foundation. The hardware relies on this tight fit to safely bear the dynamic weight of 25 meters of water-filled hose. Lift the wall bracket back into position, lining up its holes perfectly with the plugs. Thread a washer onto each bolt and slide them in. Use your 10mm socket wrench to drive the bolts home. Work your way around, tightening them incrementally rather than sinking one all at once. Stop turning as soon as the bolts feel snug. Over-tightening can actually crack the heavy-duty plastic bracket, so just get it firmly secured against the wall. Before moving on, place your spirit level across the top one last time to confirm your alignment holds true. A rigidly bolted, perfectly level base bracket ensures the heavy housing won't sag or bind on its hinge, even after years of daily use. This part requires a little muscle. Carefully lift the main housing and slide its pivot hinge straight down into the wall bracket. Immediately grab that retaining screw we set aside earlier. Drive it up into the bottom of the hinge using your crosshead screwdriver. Finally, connect the short supply hose to your water tap. Wrapping a little PTFE tape around the tap's threads beforehand is a great way to guarantee a leak-proof connection. With the retaining screw locked in and the water flowing, the system is fully secured to the wall and ready for action. As you pull the hose, the entire unit smoothly swivels up to 180 degrees. It physically tracks your movement across the garden, which naturally prevents kinks from forming. When you're finished watering, just give the hose a short tug. Gardena's internal roll control mechanism takes over, pulling the hose back in at a slow, controlled pace without crushing or tangling. There's even a built-in storage rack directly underneath the wall bracket, where you can lock in up to 2 spare spray nozzles. 40 minutes of installation yields a permanent solution. The weather protection, secure storage, and automatic retraction mean you'll never have to rustle a muddy hose out of the garden again.